Annyeonghaseyo. My name is Maulidia Isnaini Almadani. I come from in South Korea. My major in Islamic Community of.
Konnichiwa, introduce myself. My name is Hilmi Adha. I am from Japan and my major is Islamic Community Depok.
Okay, Mia. I want to question for you about your country. In South Korea, the most popular food are kimbap, tteokbokki, jjajangmyeon, kimchi, gyoza, and other else. And how in Japan, Mia?
The most popular food in Japan are onigiri, sashimi, tempura, ramen, udon, sushi, and takoyaki. Okay, Maulidia. The most famous person in Japan is Kento Momota. He is a Japanese man single badminton player. Currently, Kento Momota is ranked in the top 2 in the world. How about you in South Korea, Maulidia?
In my opinion, the most famous person in South Korea is Kim Tae-ri, because Kim Tae-ri managed to bring home the 2022 Baeksang Art Awards as Best Actress as well as the TikTok Popularity Award. And in South Korea, the unique culture are Beryongmood Festival, Nakji Culture, sauna, and other else. And how about in Japan, Mia?
The unique culture in Japan, the first the ceremony appears as a way of respecting and welcoming guests. Throughout this ceremony, guests come to know the personality and outlook on life of the owner of the house. And the last, sumo. Sumo is not just a sport in Japan, but is a hereditary tradition. There are a number of ritual and tradition that must be carried out before this sport begins. One of which is sprinkling salt to ward off reinforcement, and also forbidding women from touching to maintain the cleanliness of the field. Okay, Maulidia. The most popular building in Japan is Tokyo Disneyland. How about you in South Korea?
The most popular building in South Korea are Istana Changdaegu, Namhan Sanseong Fortress, G Tower, Jakseong Rim Cathedral, and other else. And is there any prohibit things to do or taboo things? Nah, in South Korea, the is never play with chopstick, don't show your tattoo if you have, don't wear open clothes, don't left foot, don't start at the local, and other else. And how about in Japan, Mia?
Prohibited thing to do or a taboo in Japan. It is forbidden to pick cherry blossom. Cherry blossom have a short lifespan and only bloom for about 2 weeks. So Japanese people really appreciate blooming flowers. And there is also a taboo on whistling at night in Japan. There is a belief that whistling at night can attract snakes. Okay, Lydia, the weather in Japan is hot. How's the weather in South Korea?
The weather in South Korea are spring, winter, summer, and autumn. Uh, and how are the people? Are they nice to tourists? About in South Korea, they are so outspoken. They will not hesitate to turn their head and look at your from to top on bottom to bottom. But there are also those who are friendly. And how about in Japan, Mia?
Japan is known to very friendly and kind. There are also many Japanese people who will offer help to foreign tourists with their body language, but there are also some Japanese people who will not approach first when tourists look confused. Okay, Maulidia, the most popular place in Japan is Mount Fuji. How about you in South Korea?
In South Korea, the most popular places are Jeju Island, Namsan Seoul Tower, Nami Island, Everland Dam Park, Gyeongbokgung Place, Hanok Village, and other else. Okay, Mia. Okay, thank you, Mia. Maybe that's enough for our discussion about the country this time. Nice to meet you and see you again. Bye.
You.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.